people to write in and tell us who deserves to be celebrated, who deserves a yay. You were nominated and selected as a winner. Round of applause. And your nominator is Shanae Brown, who says, Mary puts her heart and soul into cooking and preparing hot meals for Donahoe students, and even has the students trying different foods. Students that typically pack their lunch are now eating at the cafeteria because of you. A student recently had a dietary restriction that we weren't aware of, and you immediately prepared the child something that was within their diet without hesitation. You come prepared to work with a smile on your face, and you are a pleasure and joy to work with. Your nominator says you are 1 in a million, and she's honored to work with you. Congratulations! Yay, congratulations for all you do. I guess I should ask what's for lunch today.